What if I told you that something sitting in your kitchen right now has the power to completely transform your gut health? And most doctors never even mention it? Millions of people around the world wake up every single morning feeling bloated, heavy, and uncomfortable. They strain, they wait, they suffer, day after day, year after year. Some have dealt with constipation for so long that they've actually forgotten what it feels like to have a healthy, normal digestive system. They try laxatives, fiber supplements, expensive probiotics, and sure, maybe they get temporary relief. But then the problem comes right back, worse than before. Sound familiar? Well, today, everything changes. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you one simple, natural spoonful that has helped thousands of people finally break free from chronic constipation. For good. Welcome to BioWell Hub, where we cut through the noise and give you real, science-backed, natural health solutions that actually work. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we post life-changing content every single week. And if you've been struggling with your digestion, you're going to want to watch this entire video because what comes next might just be the most important thing you hear all year. So what is this magical ingredient? It's olive oil, pure extra virgin olive oil. Just 1 tablespoon, taken the right way at the right time, can do something that no chemical laxative can. It works with your body, not against it. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, "I've heard of olive oil before," hear me out. Because most people who try olive oil for constipation do it completely wrong. They drizzle a little on their salad and wonder why nothing changed. The way you take it, when you take it, and what you combine it with makes all the difference in the world. Here's what's actually happening inside your body when you're constipated. Your colon is struggling to move waste through because there isn't enough lubrication. Your gut muscles aren't contracting properly, or your stool has become too hard and dry to pass easily. Laxatives try to force this process. They irritate the intestinal lining, drag water into your colon, or stimulate nerve endings artificially. That's why they cause cramping, urgency, and that horrible dependency where your bowels eventually stop working without them. Olive oil works in a completely different way. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that acts as a natural lubricant for your entire digestive tract. When you swallow that tablespoon, it coats the walls of your intestines, allowing stool to glide through smoothly. But that's just the beginning. Olive oil also stimulates the production of bile from your gallbladder. Bile is your body's natural digestive fluid, and it plays a critical role in breaking down fats and moving things through your system. More bile means better digestion and faster, easier bowel movements. On top of that, extra virgin olive oil contains powerful polyphenols, natural plant compounds that act as antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. Chronic constipation is often tied to low-grade inflammation in the gut lining, and these polyphenols help calm that inflammation, heal the gut wall, and restore normal muscle function over time. This is why people who take olive oil consistently don't just get relief once. They start to experience lasting improvement. Now here's the method that actually works. Every morning, before you eat or drink anything else, take 1 full tablespoon of high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Don't use refined or light olive oil. Those have been processed and stripped of the beneficial compounds. You want cold-pressed extra virgin, ideally in a dark glass bottle to preserve the polyphenols. Take your tablespoon, and right after it, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon and drink it down. The lemon juice does something remarkable. It triggers even more bile production, enhances the absorption of the olive oil's nutrients, and adds a gentle acidic kick that wakes up your digestive system. Do this on an empty stomach every single morning for at least 2 weeks. Most people report feeling a difference within the first 2 or 3 days. Some people feel relief the very next morning. After 2 weeks, many people find that their digestion has completely normalized. No more straining, no more bloating, no more days going by without a bowel movement. There are a few things that will make this work even better. First, make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Olive oil lubricates your intestines, but your stool still needs hydration to soften properly. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Second, try to walk for at least 20 to 30 minutes every day. Physical movement is one of the most underrated tools for improving gut motility. Your colon responds to body movement. When you walk, you're literally massaging your intestines from the outside. Third, reduce your intake of processed foods, white bread, and dairy during this period, as these are the biggest contributors to sluggish digestion. Some people also like to combine this olive oil routine with a handful of soaked prunes or a glass of warm water with a pinch of sea salt in the morning. These additions can accelerate your results and create a powerful morning routine that completely resets your digestive system from the inside out. Now, is olive oil safe for everyone? For most healthy adults, absolutely. However, if you have gallbladder issues, liver disease, or are on blood-thinning medications, please speak with your doctor before adding high doses of olive oil to your routine. This is natural medicine, and like anything, it should be approached thoughtfully. If you've been suffering from constipation for months or even years, I want you to know that your gut can heal. Your body is incredibly resilient. Sometimes all it needs is the right support, something gentle, natural, and consistent. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil every morning could be the simplest, most powerful step you take toward a healthier gut and a lighter, more energized life. Thank you so much for watching BioWell Hub. If this video helped you or someone you love, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs this, and drop a comment below telling me how the olive oil method worked for you. I read every single comment and I truly love hearing your stories. Until next time, take care of your body, because it's the only one you've got.